Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about our brief family history. Our father, Attorney Reynaldo Gomez Elizalde, graduated a Bachelor of Political Science from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. He was a scholar student and an ROTC Corps Commander during his time in the UP Diliman. After his graduation, he entered the Ateneo Law School as a first-year student to pursue his dream to become a lawyer. And then, in 1972, he married our mother, Maria Corazon Ignacio, who was his longtime sweetheart since high school days. And they bore them two sons. At first, me, Dennis Elizalde, born in March of 1973. And then, in March of 1974, my brother, Michael, also was born. So, from the Ateneo Law School, our father decided to minimize his expenses in schooling. That's why he transferred to the University of Santo Tomas in España, Manila. But during his entry in the Ateneo Law School, we admired him for being a passionate professional, and we admire him for being studious and industrious and self-sufficient. He was working at the same time studying, and as a family man, I also followed his footsteps. After my graduation from the Mapua Institute of Technology in BS Architecture, I pursued to study in the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City, and took up urban and regional planning. And my brother Michael, who also admired our father's passion and inherited intelligence, he also studied in the Ateneo, then Manila University. And then my brother Mike transferred to the Sydney, Australia with his family, and he also graduated from the university in Australia to also become a professional physical therapist there. So my brother Mike is the second generation of Elizalde who entered Ateneo, the Manila University. Now, before our father died, we will continue. His grandson will study also in the Ateneo de Manila. So Liam took up exams in the Ateneo de Manila grade school and passed in 2022. Hi guys, good morning. This is yours truly, Architect Dennis Elizalde, with my family, my wife Nicole and Liam.
Liam, good morning.
Say good morning. Guys, we're here at the Ateneo grade school. Liam's exam today. Okay, entrance exam. Actually, before dapat last year pa siya accepted here, but there was family problem that time. My parents died. My parents passed away, si Papa and Mama. Magkasunod lang eh. So we're not able to proceed. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yan. Ouch, init. Sa hot ko. Hot choco. Yan guys, yung bumili muna kami ng breakfast sa McDo kasi si Liam may going to eat pa. Right now, it's 7 a.m.
Huh?
7 a.m.
What is it? There's no more.
And that's the school.
The chicken nuggets is not yet available. Rice? You want dinner?
Guys, my brother Mike also graduated from Ateneo University. And
Open the
I also studied in University of the Philippines, Diliman.
Open the bag.
And my father also. My father, Attorney Reynaldo Elizalde, also graduated from University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City, here in Katipunan. So we are fond of this place, guys. Basically, when we were taking up our higher education, we studied in this area, Katipunan area. It's a great experience, guys. It's a great experience here because this place is really for intellectuals. You will learn a lot here. There's lots of intelligent people here, and there's a competition. Okay guys, so right now join us as we go here to Ateneo. By the way, Liam is 6 years old, going to enter na Ateneo. I hope he passes the entrance exam. The entrance exam here, guys, is very tedious. 3 days of exam. It's not a common school, guys. It's not a common school. So 3 days of exams here are required. 3 consecutive days of exam. Okay, it's not only 1 day. Okay guys, tara na kami. Hi guys. Good morning pa pala. We just finished William's second day exam.
Yeah, tomorrow again.
Until tomorrow, it's a 3-day exam, guys. It's so tiring to do. Tiring ba? Not tiring.
Not actually.
To guess who? What's guess who? Guys, seriously, Liam, did you answer all the exam?
Yes.
Is it easy or hard?
Hard. It's many.
It's hard. Oh no.
Guys, it's
Not
really
hard.
it's
The
really-
teacher said
Look at my
it's
eye
not
bags.
hard.
Guys, look at my eye bags. It's only the second day pa lang of Liam's exam here. Entrance exam here at Ateneo de Manila. Okay, so toxic for me.
For
Yes,
you.
I'm
Ako
the-
nag-enjoy ako.
Mommy and Nicole's enjoying, but me, I'm working pa kasi also. And slept late at night. And then wake up early in the morning, 4:35 a.m. Look at my eye bags. So, oh my god. May eye bags na ako talaga.
Ano mong sagot mo
Ayan.
dyan? Feeler.
Oh my god. Kinantok ko talaga. So, I need to rest at the farm muna.
Feelers na.
Okay? So, we're going straight to the farm muna tayo. Uy.
Oh my gosh, may pimple ka rin.
Liam, are you okay there in the school?
Do you have friends?
Yes.
Many?
You're happy there? You study na there in the new school?
Yes.
You love it here at Ateneo? Okay guys, so we're here on our way to Ateneo. Is that the right word?
Arms.
Our journey to Ateneo. Liam's journey to Ateneo. Oh my god. Liam, make it good here, You remember Tito Mike studied at Ateneo also when he was younger. Daddy's from UP and Lolo from UP. Okay, make it good here,
We have baon.
It's a beautiful experience, guys.
Oh, you like?
When I was young, I was studying at University of the Philippines in Diliman, here beside Ateneo University. It's one of the most beautiful stages of my life at the time, when I was still a bachelor, studying here at the Katipunan area.
Mom,
It's beautiful here, guys.
Trash at the bag.
Trash where?
The Oreo trash.
Okay guys, this is our journey to Liam's entrance to Ateneo. Okay guys, continue to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now, there are 3 generations of Elizaldes in our family who has entered the Ateneo de Manila University. We all know in the Philippines and around the world that our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, took up his education from the Ateneo de Manila University since the 1800s for more than 100 years. Our father's dream, pursue education at the Ateneo de Manila University. Only I was not born during that time in 1973 and my brother Mike in 1974, 1 year apart. Our father, who is a brilliant lawyer, could have graduated from the Ateneo Law School and pursued his dreams to study in Harvard University in the USA. I was already born as a young kid, young toddler. My father prioritized family and he never left us or the Philippines. He stayed here until his timely demise. Our father embraced his oath to God during his lifetime. He had an agreement with God when he went to Quiapo Church in Manila and made an agreement with God that when he become a lawyer, when he passed the bar exams for the lawyer, he will devote his talent, time, energy to helping the poor and the needy, and justice will prevail. That's why our father did not pursue wealth while here on earth. Our father pursued helping the poor and the needy and those people who were oppressed, and followed the legacy of our father, Attorney Reynaldo Gomez Elizalde, and impart it to our children so that they may grow in the loving arms of God, the guidance of the Lord Jesus Christ in helping our fellow Filipino citizens, our fellow Filipino countrymen. Continue to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dennis Elizalde, Architect and Builder.